is a bag of unpopped cats. Trick or... Mouse hunters! Mouse hunters! Mouse hunters! Ah! I want to go! I want to go! Go! And why not, I have to say? Huh? I'm almost a person as much as you guys. Why can't I, me, Waffle Miko? Neither of you guys. How come I never saw that before? But Miko catchy. I could catch a mouse. I want to go!
Oh, look at the poor pitiful lad. Can't we give him a wee bit of help?
Creep! Oh! Right, feel it!
Yeah.
The mouth?
Right.
In your chest? Get out of Gordon, you mouse! Time to catch a mouse! I'm off! I caught a mouse! I caught a mouse! Not a mouse! Caught a mouse! I caught a mouse! Not a mouse! I caught a mouse! I caught a mouse! Not a...
No.
But that's what they look like.